Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to create a retro sun effect in Illustrator. So, just going to grab the ellipse tool, and I'm just going to create a circle. Just put it in the middle, just make it a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to select the line segment tool and create a line down the middle, and I want the stroke to be around 2 points. And I am just going to press Ctrl C and Shift Ctrl V and put the other one on the bottom of my circle. I'm just going to select both of them, go to Object and Expand. Then I'm going to go to Object and Blend and Make. Let's go to Object again, go to Blend and Blend Options, Specified Steps, and around 6 steps. Oh, actually I forgot to do one thing. I'm so sorry. I need to make this stroke around 30 points. Before I expand it, I need it to be around 30 points, and then I will go to object sorry, and then expand it. Go to Object, Blend, Make, and then Object, Blend, Blend Options, and around 6. Then I'm going to select both of them. Then I'm going to go to Object and expand this shape again. Then I will select both of them and click minus front. Then I'm going to choose a gradient color for this. I like to use this one. And I am just going to, for the background, create a gradient again. So I'm just going to click on this and then choose a radial gradient. And then I'm just going to choose a red color for this. And for this one, I like to choose a sort of dark purple or a dark blue. Where's that purple one? Okay. And I also like to just move the purple up a bit. Oops. Move it up a bit. So just around this much. And that is pretty much how you can create this really cool retro sun effect in Illustrator. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!